All right, what's up, you guys? This is a park day. We're at a local park here in the Portland area, and I'm getting to use my PVC pipe selfie stick. It looks ridiculous. Look how far I can get. Oh my God. This is gonna be sick. This park has like a little forest in it, so we're gonna try to get in there and kind of chill. It's hot. 95 degrees. It's too hot. I was talking to Brittany about a video that I saw talking about the different soundscapes, and it was like anthrophony, biophony, and geophony. And anthrophony is sounds made by humans, geophony is sounds made by the earth, and biophony is sounds made by like animals. And while we're here, we're gonna try to attempt to catch those different sounds. The person that I truly want to be is someone who grounds regularly. And the person that I am is someone who takes everything to the extreme. So I'm gonna attempt walking the rest of this hike, no shoes at all. Oh yeah, this hurts. This is just a gravel path. And it's really hot. So I don't know. I probably didn't even really explain, but geophony is sounds made by the earth. So that would include like wind rustling through the leaves and water flowing through a creek. You know, things that can't be produced without the earth. And biophony is sounds made by like birds and animals and whatnot. And then, yeah, anthrophony, sounds made by people. True. It's like cars, trains, planes, books. Everything at this point, after this, will feel very easy.
There's this creek over here. Oh my God.
There's more sand than gravel right here, and it's already like 10 times better. I didn't even hit the little mini forest yet. I'm just on a path. Sandy, which is really nice, but when it's like a little rocky here but then a little less rocky there, I'll take this terrain. And I was like telling Brittany, that, you know, we're new to like the grounding, right? We're new to grounding this aggressively, so we're not really connected with nature yet. So nature is gonna tell us where we're gonna walk. We're not gonna be able to walk every single, like everywhere. It's interesting. Oh! 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 Blueberries? Question mark? Look at that. Yeah? Edible? Death or dinner? It's underneath sharp leaves. And so is that saying that they want to protect the blueberries from the birds? Sharp leaves on bottom. Sharp leaves on top. Another one. Look at that. So we got blueberries. Oh, we got blueberries there. Sharp leaves up top. What is that? What does that mean? I know that means something. You know, if nature doesn't want you to get it, does that mean that it's bad for you or that it's good for you? Stay tuned. Yeah, I'm taking it way slow right now. Do you see that? Look at this. It's rocks. If this is gonna be the entire path, the entire way, it'll take me 3 days to walk this path. So I'm probably not gonna walk this entire trail without shoes. Oh, it's looking better actually. Actually, I think we're good. All right, so I've made it as long as I could. This is just day one of grounding. Am I a full caveman yet? No. But I will be putting the shoes back on. Give me this. Okay. Now I feel like I'm cheating. There was So considering that it is kind of hot still, we're not gonna be taking the entire walk. One, I'm in long sleeves. Two, we got an old dog, and it's 90 degrees. So we just wanted to get out.